In today's rapidly changing world, AI is changing industries and shaping our daily lives. AI capabilities are no longer just for experts and researchers. They have become essential for anyone seeking to navigate the increasingly artificial intelligence world in which we live. By developing these skills, you can open up a world of possibilities and shape the future in ways you never thought possible. Are you ready to dive in? Here are the top 9 AI skills that will change your life. Enjoy the video. Data science. As the amount of data generated continues to grow, the ability to extract valuable insights from that data becomes critical. Data science knowledge equips you with the tools and techniques you need to effectively collect, analyze, and interpret large amounts of data, and use your data science skills to uncover hidden patterns and identify emerging trends, and make informed predictions. This ability to turn raw data into actionable insights provides a competitive advantage in any industry. Data scientists play a key role within an organization, driving decision-making, optimizing operations, and identifying opportunities for growth and innovation. Natural language processing. Natural language processing focuses on the interaction between computer and human language. With NLP knowledge, you can develop applications that understand, interpret, and generate human language, opening up a world of possibilities for human-computer interaction and communication. With an understanding of NLP, you can create language supports that can understand and respond to voice commands, chatbots that provide personalized customer support, and language translation programs that bridge communication gaps. Mastering NLP can revolutionize the way people interact with technology, improve user experience, and enable seamless communication across different languages and cultures. Computer vision. Computer vision enables machines to analyze and interpret visual data, mirroring our ability to understand the world through images and videos. Acquiring computer vision skills will allow you to develop algorithms that can recognize objects, recognize faces, and understand complex visual scenes. Industries such as healthcare, self-driving car surveillance, and retail rely heavily on healthcare computer vision technology. Computer vision helps analyze and diagnose medical images. Self-driving cars use computer vision to perceive and navigate their surroundings. Surveillance systems use computer vision to monitor and ensure public safety by mastering computer vision. It is a valuable asset in these industries, enabling advancements that improve efficiency, safety, and accuracy. Rapid design. Rapid design is the art and science of creating effective prompts to elicit the desired response from AI language models like GPT-4, so we can truly appreciate the value of this capability. Let's think of AI as genie in a bottle. If you don't ask Guinea the right question or make the right wish, you might not get the desired result in the same way. Mastering rapid design allows AI systems to communicate more effectively and efficiently. But what it means to be a good engineer, which requires contextually accurate understanding in your own language and possible answers as expected, that is a skill based on the logic of creativity and understanding of human language. For example, imagine that you are content writer tasked with creating a blog post about the benefits of dating apps, rather than using a general prompt. For example, blogging about dating apps, creating more targeted and more engaging endorsements, like you are now an experienced relationship coach. I want you to write a blog post on 5 benefits of using dating apps for men. By refining your prompts, you help the AI language model create content that is more relevant and attractive to your target audience. AI business strategy and implementation. AI business strategy and implementation and the rapidly evolving world of AI. Having a clear business strategy and implementation plan is essential to stay ahead of the curve. But what does this capability entail, and why integration capabilities are so important to an effective AI business strategy? Artificial intelligence in your organization to assess potential risks and create an action plan to achieve your goals. It's about understanding the broader implications of AI and harnessing its power to drive innovation, efficiency, and competitive advantage. Consider, for example, a retail company that wants to optimize its supply chain by leveraging AI-powered operations. With forecasting and inventory management systems, a company could streamline its operations, reduce waste, and ultimately improve its bottom line. The key to success is to develop a comprehensive AI strategy that addresses challenges such as data protection issues and employee training needs. AI Project Management. As AI continues to penetrate various industries, the demand for skilled AI project managers is increasing. But what does it take to succeed in this role, and why is it so important in the age of AI, where project management requires a unique mix of technical techniques, disciplines, and non-technical skills? To successfully oversee AI projects, you must understand the underlying technology, coordinate cross-functional teams, manage expectations, and closely monitor budgets and schedules. Imagine you are tasked with implementing an AI-based customer service chat for a major airline. As an AI project manager, you must communicate with stakeholders, identify key requirements, and ensure that the chat meets the company's brand and customer service standards. You must also anticipate potential challenges, such as language barriers and system integration issues, and develop contingency plans to address these issues. AI Ops. This is a relatively new term that has emerged in recent years to cover the skills needed when it comes to working with the plethora of AI-related tools and services that have become available. AI Ops involves administering and managing all of the connected systems that go into delivering modern AI infrastructure in order to ensure continuous uptime and a good level of service to the end user, which could be the business itself or its customers. It might involve coordinating the use of a number of AI-as-a-service elements that connect together to create the organization's AI infrastructure. AI Ops also refers to the process of administering or overseeing AI analytics of an organization's IT and data operations. This could involve implementing machine learning processes to enable more efficient use of data within the organization or its IT infrastructure as a whole. Deep Learning (DL). Deep learning networks learn by discovering complex structures in the data they experience. By creating computer models that consist of multiple layers of processing, networks can create multiple levels of abstraction to represent data. For example, a deep learning model known as a convolutional neural network can be trained using a large number of images, like millions, such as images of cats. This type of neural network typically learns from the pixels contained in the obtained images. It can classify groups of pixels that represent properties of a cat, and groups of properties such as claws, ears, and eyes indicate that the image contains a cat. Deep learning is fundamentally different from traditional machine learning. In this example, a domain expert would have to spend a lot of time designing a conventional machine learning system to identify features that describe a cat. In deep learning, you only need to provide the system with a very large number of cat images so that the system can independently learn features that describe the cat. For many tasks, such as computer vision, speech recognition, also known as natural language processing, machine translation, and robotics, the performance of deep learning systems outperforms that of traditional machine learning systems. This is not to say that building deep learning systems is relatively easy compared to traditional machine learning systems. Although feature detection is independent in deep learning, thousands of hyperparameters, handles, must be tuned to ensure the effectiveness of a deep learning model. AI programming. Python. Python is a programming industry standard with a mature code base, an attractive and widely used language in many areas of programming. It's considered a great entry-level language. Many programmers learn Python as one of their first programming languages. As such, there is a large developer community built around coding AI-focused apps. Python is a powerful data analysis tool, making it a key factor in the development of artificial intelligence. According to HackerRank, it is one of the most requested programming languages in the market. Coders and data analysts love Python for its flexibility, intuitive design, and versatility. Although it is designed to solve complex tasks, it is a language that is remarkably easy to learn and implement in your projects. Many Python libraries are designed to classify and analyze large datasets, making it a valuable language for both artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python is highly customizable and can be used in many applications focused on machine learning and artificial intelligence. GitHub is a repository of practical projects focused on AI. Another AI-focused codebase can be found in TensorFlow, a large open-source machine learning library developed by Google. This intuitive library helps developers build and train machine learning models quickly and easily, allowing developers to explore and test new ML applications.